All right, live from DevOps Days. I'm here with Rob Hirschfeld. Rob, how you doing?
I'm doing awesome.
So, Captain Crowbar. Now, we were just chatting before this, and it's been less than a year since we open sourced
at OSCON in July last year. That's right.
So, what's happened in this last less than a year? Just a real quick overview.
We have just had a fantastic run. The tool has grown a huge amount, and the amount of community participation we've been seeing is just stunning. From actual contributions into different components, multiple operating systems coming online, multiple products coming online, just a lot of users giving us feedback, helping us refine the tool and making it stronger all around. It's been we've been riding the wave. It's been exciting.
And so just to dispel the myth, this is actually 100% homegrown Dell, well, at least to start with, Dell code, correct?
That's right. So this is something that was conceived in Dell, brought to Dell, open sourced by Dell. You can actually watch Dell developers writing the code and submitting. We do live development. It's really important to us that we don't just sort of release code in waves. We work in the open all the time. We have people in the community checking our stuff, fixing our bugs, telling us when things don't work. We're right there as part of the open source community.
And so where would you like to see this going in the next 6 months of the next year, even though we haven't finished the first year?
Oh, wow. There's so many great opportunities for Crowbar development. We're seeing a lot of interest in expanding the reach of the platforms that we support, the platforms that we do, the OpenStack and Hadoop. Those are rocketing forward. We're seeing a lot of great contributions. We're seeing people in the community and our partners helping us move these things forward and really refine open operations and stabilizing deployments, getting to scale. So we're seeing Crowbar moving into larger and larger scale deployments. We're seeing some really great stories around upgrade and continuous deployment starting to emerge from Crowbar. We're seeing more open source projects and components. And we're seeing some really exciting expansion of the core focus. So we're not just moving into which applications we deploy and operating systems we deploy on, but the infrastructure that we can manage. So we're starting to see some interesting things happen on the networking side. We're looking at some storage things coming down the pipe. We're looking at broader ecosystems where we're adding more layers above. So we're expanding out, up, and deeper. It's crazy everywhere.
Three-dimensional. So
three-dimensional.
If people want to get involved, where should they go?
So the best place to start is dell.com/crowbar, and that has links to our GitHub site and some of our online resources, white papers and things like that to sort of help you get started with those things. And then the Dell GitHub, the Crowbar GitHub site is really a good stepping off point. We've been putting videos there. We've been trying to encourage community documentation. It's a really easy place to start from.
Excellent. Rob Hirschfeld, thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thank you.